And your Miss Philippines Earth
Kung
2026.
minsan ka nang tumulong kay Rina, ang hirap mag-step back. I tried doing it. I wanted to step back and feel like, what if I'll concentrate on other things and hayaan ko na lang si Rina?
Is
Ikaw lang makakasabi kung ano nga yung totoo. So that night, kinausap ko yung sarili ko, hindi naman totoo yung mga sinasabi niya eh. So ba't ako maaapektuhan?
Love changes nothing unless it moves. And when it moves, it truly changes
I
everything.
grew up in a family that's very loving and I'm always surrounded by people. Allah!
Ballesteros Cagayan.
Naiiyak ako lagi as in, oh my God, later na. Feel ko later ko na makakamit yung dream ko. Or kahit ano man mangyari, I'll give it all just to finally realize that dream.